is way over there. Oh yeah, this is one of my favourite bits about this game. This like overmap thing just looks amazing, and is really pretty. Just to sit and look at for a bit, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to save Ku and make a bear sneeze. So, enthusiasm makes everything an adventure. I very much agree, Mocky. I very much agree. Enthusiasm makes everything an adventure. I don't think we ended up with enough of those things yet. Still in the thousands, I think. Oh, we already got this. Fine, but we will come back for the other maps. Oh, let's quickly talk to these guys too. Yeah, nice of Grom to provide all the stuff and do all the work. Not that I'm bitter at all about all the work that I've done that I don't get appreciated for. Oh. There's no need for this. You could be friendly. Right. Let me just check. I'm going the right way. I am. We need. Yes. Missed me. Oh, missed me again. Oh, hello. Yep. Good, good. Always good to check that we're not, Mhm. Oh, ow. Oh dear. May have bitten off more than I can chew. No, I haven't. I'm alright. There we go. 4. Alright. So the other thing about buying new abilities, I really like the hammer and the sword. Like, it's an excellent combination of weapons. There really isn't any need for additional abilities. Going up or down? Up. Although, it might be interesting to have a look down, see if there's stuff that I've missed down there. But we'll get there. We will get there. We want to do the bear today as well, so let's not get distracted. So easily distracted by stuff. Ooh. Oh dear, that's going to hit me direct. Oh no, it didn't. It exploded on the ground, so oh, that's okay. We'll go around it this way. Then you won't have to be upset. Here we go. This is where we're meant to go. This here, for those who haven't seen it, is poor little Ku. My little friend. The owlet who got beaten up by a giant spider. Well, it was actually an owl, but I mean, it looked like a giant spider. He had big bone things on his wings. Yeah, wait till we see it again, you'll see what I mean. But yeah, got absolutely owned by a giant evil owl spider creature, and we have to. That's why we're doing all of the saving and stuff. And now it's even sadder over here, because now this is where Quolok the giant toad used to hang out. But he's not there anymore. This here is his altar, and I'm just going to pop his amulet on here. Very sad moment. A very sad moment. Let's have a moment of silence for. Alright, that's enough sad stuff. There we are. The bear before, and I wasn't able to get past him before because I lacked the requisite equipment. And the requisite equipment was given to me by my little owlet friend. Oh, hello. Hang on a minute. The Great Boar, who is a bear. Yeah, maybe we can do that if we can wake him. Now, how could we wake him? I've got something bigger than a tuft of grass. Got is the quintessential tickling device, also known as a feather. Ooh. Listen to that. Look at him. Isn't he cute? Look at him. Look. There he is. He's my little bear friend. I call him Sleepy. Sleepy the bear. And now, Sleepy the bear, it's time to wake from your slumber. Whoosh! Ah! Ah, I got sneezed. There you go. The promise of the stream fulfilled. I made the bear sneeze. Oh, and I can talk to him. He's sort of awake now. Hello, bear. Oh, you have pretty eyes. It's an ori eating. Oh no! Ow! 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 Okay, right. So it's an ori eating gauntlet. Here we go. Yay! Ori eating gauntlet. No. There we go. Oh yeah. Take that, ori eating gauntlet. Oh no, right trigger. I forget which is my left and right, but that's okay. Ka-thunk. That's the stuff. Ooh, swingy, not slidey. Swingy, not slidey. Right. Another ori eating mandible creature up here to get me back out. Ooh. Oh. Oh. See, got cocky. Oh. Yeah. Right. No cockiness here. No cockiness here. Right, there's a thingy up there. No! Oh, goodness. Oh, I didn't even see that. Spitty duck. Oh, dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay. Oh look! Another altar! Another altar. I wonder how we get there. Okay. No! Oh, my main ori. My main ori. Come on out, come on out, come on out. Oh, okay. Ooh. Right. Now we've got to hit this. Like a boss ori. Yeah. Right, so we are now high in the sky. I don't think you can get out of there and get over there. Ay, ay, ay. Oh dear. Made it there though. Okay, so yeah, that stuff is up there. So first of all, let's. Wow. Okay, that thing is oh dear. Produce. Oh dear. Okay, down. Right. First things first. That. Second thing second. This. Okay, then we're going to need a new weapon. I think we're going to need the bow and arrow, kids. Oh, come on. Oh, we're so close. Got it. Bye. Okay, that's them dealt with. Now, if we can unfreeze that, we'll unfreeze all these waterfalls and stuff, I think. So we need to figure out how we do that. Right. We're probably going to need a lot more health, so let's get that first. Now, we went up here before, but in that time, I was as yet unaware. Ow! No, 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 all dear, all dear, all dear, all dear. Got overexcited. That's it, that's what I meant to do. I was as yet unaware of the properties. Ah. But how do? I mean, don't I have a set enemies on fire ability? Arrow of light. Yeah. Used to set nearby enemies on fire. Right. No, because it's not. It's magic Ori fire. It's not the fire that we need. We need true fire. The true flame. But that's okay. Ori. How embarrassing. He missed twice. Go. Oh. Now, are you a mean? What are they called? Gorlek. Are you a mean Gorlek, or are you a happy Gorlek? Because if you're a mean Gorlek, I know how to deal with mean Gorleks. I got my hammer. Gorlek. Haha! Oh. That was painful. Missed me. Take that, mean Gorlek. Told you I knew how to deal with you if you were mean. Sand Rider! That was painful, but we got it. So, that's what's important. Right, now, I need a weapon switch again. We need the feather once more. It's surprising how useful a feather is. Right. That's currently going there. I don't see a shrine though. But it's... Oh, it's... Wow! Alright. Okay, how am I gonna get... Another mean Gorlek? Oh no, I haven't got my hammer out. Let me get out my hammer. That trigger really doesn't like me. Oh dear. He's seen me. He knows where I am. Broke his shield. Come, some Gorlek boy. Oof. Yeah, that wasn't good. Yeah, that's better. It's alright, there's a advantage to doing something like that here. Just get the energy straight back. Alright, there must be a lever to control that. And I imagine we need to light that with some sort of... Oh yes, so once we open that we can fly up. That'll be how that works, won't it? Now, the interesting thing is going to be, can we light this with the fire from this? That's the question. I mean, first things first, what happens if I melt that? Oh, hee, wrong thing. Oh, wrong button again. La 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 la. Okay, so... Nope, missed it. Okay. Nope, missed. Missed it again. Yes, it is. There it is. Got it. Got it. Got it. I wonder what we've exposed. Oh, ow. Sorry, Ari, I forgot. It's hot. Hey. Excellent. I love a secret. Alright. Now for the actual thing you meant to do. Oh! Well, game. I've not got any of my correct things ready. I mean, I killed him, I haven't died. Even Dark Souls makes you die before it, ow, brings the enemies back. There you go. Right, so. Right. Ow. Alright, so, I mean, I guess the short answer is kind of no. Because you end up moving in the opposite direction when you do it, that's the... Oh, I mean... Oh shit, wrong direction. Okay, let's try that again. Oh no! Oh, screwed it up. Right, so yes, but it's incredibly... Right. At least it's yes. No, too late. No, no, no! Come on, Ori, that way. Oh, well. Closest it's ever come. Closest it's ever come. If I'd managed that second one, we might already, but we weren't, because I'm not that good. I'm merely... Ow. I'm merely a middle-aged mutant gaming tortoise, and this is gonna take me ages. No! No! Goodness gracious! Just feel it slipping. Nope. Oh, I should have done the zoom. No! I swear that wasn't where the arrow was pointed. Oh! Oh! That's just unfair, don't you think? Close was that? Robbed me. Robbed at the last second. Oi, oisky poisky. No, I keep pressing Y. Damn you game. No, no, no. That's it. No. Oh, come on. Have it there. I thought I might have had it there. Oh yeah! See? Persistence, perseverance, and yeah, that's what you need. Something you'll never understand, Gorlek. That's why I smashed you in the head with a hammer, and you didn't smash me in the head with nothing. Alright, let's go. Because this guy will have no chill. None at all anymore, but that's alright. Come on, you can eat me if you want. No, you can't. Haha. Yeah, see? There'll be no eating of Ori. Oris are not for eating. Right, so that's reinstated. We should have activated a bunch of stuff. Oh, hello. My little snappy doodah friend. Oh dear. There we go, that's got rid of him. I'm going to keep the feather out, actually, because... silly thing. Oh dear. Shouldn't have laughed at him. Ow. That timing is difficult. Ah, oh, missed it. Okay. And a 1. And a 2. Oh, come on now. That was right there, wasn't it? I think that's unstable ground as well, but I want to be careful. Because I don't want to unstable ground it. I actually can't be, can it? Nah, I don't think it is unstable ground. I've changed my mind. I think that is. And a 1. Oh, that was just mean. And a 1. And a 2. And... I mean, I can just do that, I guess. I'm just overthinking it, I think. Yep, I got that. Alright, now I've got to get up there. Now this, I do think I need to spring off the what's it. That's it. Like that, you see? I was making sure that the area was clear of bads. Oh, that way. Oh! It's all about precision. That's the problem. Precision and me. It's my autobiography. Yeah, that way. Are you... Oh, mate. I missed. I shot it over the top. Ah. Oh. I don't think you wanted to do that, did you, mate? No. 18th time's the charm. Come on. Oh. Oh, really? I was... Oh, seriously. So close. Could I not have... Could I have come closer? No, I do not think I could have done. Could I have succeeded better? Probably. Is what I'm saying making sense? Do not. No, that way. Oh. Well, at least we were A, in the right place, B, caught it, and C, it was pointing in the right direction. It's only a matter of time and repeated goes now. That way. Got it! Ah, just when you thought you were getting bored. Right. Okay, so, first of all, let's get this little nonsense up here.